Welcome to the 2020 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Elite in granite crystal metallic. This SUV is powered by a 3.2-liter V6, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Trailhawk, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, rear hatch release, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen complete with navigation and Bluetooth, push-to-start ignition, dual zone climate control. Here in the center console, we have 4-wheel drive toggle, auxiliary and USB ports, as well as the electronic parking brake and the shifter. Taking a look at the exterior of the Trailhawk, starting off with the 17-inch wheels paired up with Firestone Destination AT tires. Moving right along, paint-matched door handles, paint-matched Cherokee badge on the door, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals, trail-rated badge on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, paint-matched grille as well as the paint-matched Jeep logo, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows, roof rails are installed, and around the back of the vehicle, a single red recovery hook, paint matched 4x4 Jeep and red Trailhawk badge all on the hatch. Heading back inside the Trailhawk, back seats here come in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Cup holders come down in the middle. And here in the center console, we have 4 USB charging ports and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough in the 2020 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Elite. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.